Guys, so I just got this delivered at my brother's house as I wasn't there at my own. So here it is. This is probably the Raspberry Pi 4 case. As you can see, it says case right here, if you can actually see it. And by the bulk of this product, it can actually tell you that this is the case for the Raspberry Pi with heat sinks and with exhaust fans. Let me get my scissor, which I tend to lose each and every time. You can find the same case for up to 1,000 rupees. You just need to find the exact one which you need. Okay, pretty good. Because like they try to scam you. Okay, here it is, and few heat sinks. You won't need these. Okay, looks pretty good. I got this one for 200 Indian rupees. It's of course better than 1,000. This actually will make it. Oh shoot! It will actually make it look better. Let's remove this out. Let's place it in. You can buy it, and till right now I definitely recommend it. Otherwise I don't know. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Peace.